My 7-year-old nephew watched one of my videos, and he told me that I'm too boring. But I mean, I'm a crypto education channel. I talk about Bitcoin, so I don't know what I'm supposed to do. But I'm gonna try to be less boring, I guess, in this video. Anyway, I should have set this up before I started recording. Okay, let me see. Yep, it's just a black screen. I mean, look. I'm not freaking out. My opinion is that this is panic selling. I think the market is overreacting to this Bitcoin move. I think it is overreacting to this tariff FUD. I think next FOMC meeting, I think we're going to get quantitative easing. Again, this is the boring stuff. What I'm trying to say is that I'm not too bearish. You know, people are saying, oh, this is a double top pattern. This is really bad. And, you know, that could be right. But from what I'm looking at right now, this is still higher highs and higher lows. And we didn't break this support line, this diagonal line. I would be scared if the price goes under this white line. But right now it's respecting it. So for all we know, this could just bounce. My paintbrush, please. This could just go up. Bounce from here and continue to set higher highs. I don't know, man. There's a lot of FUD, and altcoins just absolutely pooped themselves. Ethereum just pooped. Solana is just cooked. Here's what I'll say. I think this is a bear trap. Now, what does that mean? I think that means it looks like the market's going to go down, but it's actually going to bounce, and it's going to be a trapping the bears or the people that are freaking out and panic selling, and they're the ones that are going to get burnt by this. The reason... right, as of right now, and again, this is wrong if we lose this level and we set lower lows, but as of right now, this looks really, really good. If we take a look at Ethereum, okay, yes, that we lost a key level here, yes. But if we put on our auto fib, we just came down and touched 2,900. That's like a strong support level. So that could have been the bottom, you know? This is not a good looking chart. I'm not going to lie. But, you know, it can only be down for so long. Sellers will get exhausted soon. I do want to say the super trend is not flashing a buy signal for this yet. But, you know, maybe we'll have a little bit more downside. But I personally don't think that there's going to be a whole lot more for Ethereum. If we take a look at Solana, this is looking great to me. As of right now, we have higher highs, higher lows. So I don't know why people are freaking out. And we got a buy signal just flashed, according to the super trend on this chart. So looking good for me. Yeah, this same thing. It came down, touched this fib level. Let's look at XRP. XRP, very clear. Higher highs, higher lows. Yes, we got this move down, but not that bad. Look, it looks like we're basically holding this main fib level. Everything's looking fine to me right now. The super trend, there's not even a sell signal for this yet. So yeah, I wanted to hop on real quick, really briefly tell you, to me, I know there's a lot of people freaking out, but to me, this is looking pretty good. As long as we hold this level, I think we're at pretty strong supports for many different coins, and we even got, you know, a couple buy signals. So I'm not freaked out yet. That's basically it. Now, look, I could be totally wrong, okay? If you lose all your money, not my fault. I'm also not going to cover any other altcoins because then no one's going to ever join my Discord. So if you want to talk about your altcoins, make sure to join my Discord. Link is in the description. There's only one man that gives you such good info, and it is Crypto Nerd himself. So make sure you subscribe to Crypto Nerd. We have an AI trading assistant in our Discord. This is an amazing tool that I do want to make you aware of. Guys, you can do /info, then any coin you want. Let's do Bitcoin because we're generic. I don't know if that's the right word. I don't know. Anyway, you get a description of the coin. So I know you listen to other influencers. I know they're shilling you random garbage that you don't know what it does and you buy anyway. Now you come in here, you do /info of that coin, you get a description about it. You also get details, and you get a built-in tokenomics rating system. Check that out. Well, there's also a lot of good updates coming out. So guys, so make sure to, let me try to up my energy. Make sure to join the Discord. I do one-on-one calls on my website, link in the description. If that sounds interesting to you, check that out. And I also have a deal with Gemini, a crypto exchange, that if you create an account using my link in the description and you trade $100 or more, you get $10 deposited into your account for free. So look, it takes a few minutes, you get 10 free bucks, and I get paid. So you should do it. Subscribe to Crypto Nerd. See ya.